Hi guys, it's Sophia. Thank you for stopping by my channel today. I hope you're having a great Friday and that you have a nice weekend up ahead. So I wanted to come on here really quick and share a few just little this and that projects that I've been working on. I've shared most of these on Instagram, but I haven't really had a chance to do a video to share them, so I thought I would do a quick little video sharing all the little things I've created that I haven't shared. So I wanted to make a few embellishments and things for Happy Mail using the Maggie Holmes crate paper collections, and I haven't used this die, which I've had for a while. It's super cute. It's a vintage scale design, and this is the number here in case you're interested. I don't even know how long I've had this. I've had it for a while, and I like this because it comes with the die and the embossing folder, which just makes for a really cute vintage scale. And these are the first ones I made just to try it out. So this one's just really plain, but you can see the embossing there that it does. And then I decided to dress it up a little, and I used some pattern paper and just cut out the circle so that it would show through, and added that layer, which definitely made it better, I think. And then these were my favorite. I think they turned out so cute. I did 2 layers, the cardstock, pattern paper, embossed those, and then I cut a circle separately and just embossed that and layered it with some foam tape. So I like the way these turned out, and then just added a little bow and a little pearl there. And I thought those were really cute. Here's another one, again with the foam, and there's a butterfly, little accents there in vellum. So I'll probably be packaging a few up, and then also making some cards with a few other ones. And then I don't think I've shared these on YouTube. I was on the Coco and Reno guest design team for July, I think it was, and they had the cutest rosette dies. So this is what I made with those dies, or one of the projects I made. So I used a keychain die that I picked up online, and then I layered the rosette on top of that after I stitched it with some pink thread there. And then I just added a bow. So super cute, I thought. I love how these turned out. And then this is another one I made. Same thing. I just cut a keychain shape out of the other die that I picked up online, added gold thread stitching, and then layered a different little rosette here, which has a butterfly edge, and then just layered up some ephemera and fussy cut some pieces from the paper collection. I think this is Chasing Dreams. Super cute. And then I just add a little tassel and a lobster clasp on top there. So I love the way those turned out. And then this is kind of hard to show. It's kind of big, but I don't think I've shared it on here. It's a paper vase, and it's a really good size. I'm thinking I'm going to make some flowers or butterfly embellishments to fill this with. And I just think it turned out super cute. This is using another Maggie Holmes. I think it's Willow Lane, I'm not positive. So I did use some other layering pieces. Here's some gold foil paper, and up here I layered, I think the reverse of this design, and just added some little butterflies and bead dangles here. The bead dangles I added to every other little section here, so I thought that was cute. So just wanted to share that. And then I wanted to make a little mini banner. So I used these dies here that I've also had for a while. I think they're they're niche dies, and it comes in a set of 3, but I only use these 2. And I did not pull the packaging out, so I think this one I shared in a previous video. The Hello Summer comes from In Love Art Shop. So there's that one, and that cute little rosette from Coco and Reno as well. Or I'm not sure if that one is, but I think it's from Coco and Reno. And then this one here, I just did some stitching on the base, added some vellum at the bottom here, and just a little, like a banner piece there. This one with another rosette, a fussy cut butterfly, some little pom-pom trim at the bottom, and then this one here, the last piece. So just a fun little mini banner that I'm going to be mailing out soon in some very, very long overdue happy mail, which seems to be like my thing. Everything is so overdue. So I also made this little box. It's like a pizza style box, and I made some layered paper flowers. So I put one of those on there and layered, did some stitching all around the pieces, the pattern paper pieces. And then just fussy cut this from the paper collection, added one of these really pretty velvety leaves that I had in my stash. And then on the inside, I just filled it with some cute little flowers and some of this gold trim that I had in my stash. So just a little gift for Happy Mail. And then I had a few other pieces that I packaged up separately, embellishment pieces, some more of these layered flowers, and then some of these little paper clips, banner paper clips, I think they're calling them. So I did this one here. Again, I just stitched it and added some pom-pom trim at the bottom and just did some layering. The gold that you see there is a mini cupcake liner that I just made into a rosette and layered a few things over that. And then there's this one, very similar, just a little bit different on the paperclip banner. So there's that. And then I wanted to share really quick. Like I said, I'm all over the place, and like I want to create for summer, and I want to create for Christmas, and now Halloween's right around the corner. So I made these little bag toppers using some of the things that I recently picked up at Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree. So I thought I would share these really quick. And they're just really, really simple, not too many layers, but I thought they were so cute, and I just kind of wanted the focal point to be the cute little eyelashes and the witch hat. So I didn't do too much layering on these. I just used gold doily. I die cut this other round piece using the Hello Pumpkin paper, and then I added the little witch hat from the Dollar Tree pack that I picked up. The little eyelashes are from Hobby Lobby. And then I used my Martha Stewart punch to make a little mini bow, which was just the right size. So there's this one, and I made this one as well. So I just made two so far, but I think they're cute and just fun for Halloween. So same thing, very similar, just used a black hat instead and changed up the pattern paper and stuff. So there's those, and these are the little hats that I used from Dollar Tree. I still have a few left, and then this is the little eyelash stickers that I used from Hobby Lobby, and the Hey Pumpkin paper. So there's that. So that's it, guys. I also, just really quick, I found these at Dollar Tree yesterday. Not Dollar Tree, 99-cent only store, and I thought they would be super cute for Halloween. So I thought I'd share. This one, actually, they only had a few of these, and they were all just like this, all falling apart in there. So I still picked it up because I don't have very much orange, and I think it's really cute for Halloween. So I picked this up. And this one here with the black polka dots. So there's that. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all these little random projects. And again, I hope you have a wonderful weekend. And let me know what you guys think. I love reading your comments. I'll be doing some other videos here and there. So hit the subscribe button and the notification button if you want to know when I upload things, because it is kind of random. I try to do something weekly, but it doesn't always happen. So, all right, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye.